Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you heard this voice on, I haven't done an intro in the longest time basically. So today I decided to film this look with the bold red lip and just simple eyes. So practically the lip is the only thing that's getting attention right now. So I hope you guys actually enjoy this look as much as I actually enjoyed filming it. It was the simplest look that I've ever recorded and done. Because just practically putting eyelashes on, my brows were done off camera, and it's the lips. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's give it some thumbs up. And please don't forget to share, comment, like. Thumbs up is a like, yo. Give it a like. And please don't forget to leave your comments down below. And if you guys would like me to film a video on how I get my brows done, I think today I actually did a pretty good job looking at it. So if you guys would actually like me to film a brow tutorial, an updated one, because I think the one that I did a while back is pretty yeah, so please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to tell me what you guys would actually like me to film rather than me just filming looks that I think are, the thing. So please don't forget to leave your comments down below. Love you guys, and see you in the next slide. Okay, here I'll be going in with eyeshadow. Mistake, I'm supposed to prime my eyes first. So I went in with the LA Girl Warm Honey Concealer, and I use this as a base for my eyeshadow to give my eyeshadow more color for it to pop out the most. So next eyeshadow that I used is a TOAT shade from COLOURPOP Cosmetics. That's the only shade that I used for this look, and I used a bit of some bronzer to give my brows a little bit of some highlight. Next I went in with Essence eyeliner, and this is just a normal eyeliner you can find. You can use any eyeliner. Okay, so I finished putting on the eyeliner, and next I'll be going in with my Bare Minerals Lash Domination mascara to just brush up my lashes. Then next I went in with my Profusion Day lashes. I bought these lashes for about $2 and they're perfect. So lashes are done. I'll be going in with my MAC in CW50. So all that foundation is finally blended out. I have to fast forward it all, unfortunately. It's just a normal routine that I use every day. Okay, so I'll be going in with the exact same concealer I used for my eyes, and I'll be using that to highlight every corner of my eyes. So under my eyes, of course, under my chin, my nose, my forehead, just a little bit under my cheekbones. And of course you need to know blending is key, guys. Blending is super key. Okay, so the next one, I use my Yardley loose powder. Normal shades, you can use the banana benai powder. I decided to use the Yardley. So I'll just be covering up on the places that I used to highlight with the concealer. So that's the LA Girl Pro powder, and this is in the shade COCA, and that's the shade I actually use to contour my skin with. So contour under my cheekbones, under my chin, on my forehead, and on my nose as well. I initially bought this shade as a powder for my skin. I always say the story. I feel like you guys already know it. So I'll be using a thin brush to contour my nose. And under my nose as well, of course. Okay, so this is the Revlon Color Stay powder, and I'll just be using that to wipe off all that excess loose powder that I had put on before, just so I don't get flashback. Okay, so I'll be going in with just a simple regular liner that I have, and this is in a brown shade, just to simply line my lips before I put on any lipstick. Okay, you can see I really want to line my lips to like pure definition. Of course, I've got full lips, so need to make sure it's full. And then I'll be going in with my MAC Ruby. You guys can see it's like completely finished. I don't normally use red lipstick, but when I use red lipstick, I make sure I use it a lot. Like, I abuse it. You can see this lipstick is like practically finished. Okay, I'm trying to mix all the colors up just so that the red doesn't pop up way too much and it doesn't look weird with the lip liner that I used. I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go in with all of it. So I'm just lining that up a little bit. Ooh, I like the way the red is looking already. What am I looking for? Goodness, I'm always up to something. So now I'll be going in with my bronzer that I actually bought from Discam. Yes, Discam. You can see the top color and the color on the, there's gonna be your left. Those are the two shades that I use as a highlighter. And you can see it's starting to like shine up a little bit. So I'm only highlighting top of my cheekbones. I was thinking I was Beyonce in the background, so excuse my character. You know, playing music and doing your makeup, guys, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's like Oreos and milk together. Perfect. So I'm just highlighting underneath my chin. You can see that. Can you see that light though? So I'll be going with a thinner brush and I'll be highlighting the tip of my nose with the same shades. And just above my nose, just the bridge of my nose. Going back with the light on under my brows, just on top of where I left a little bit of some concealer. Showing. Then on my Cupid's bow, can you see that light? Boom, boom, boom. That tin really went skia. Because I like being extra, of course, I decided to go in with some extra highlight. So I went in with my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter just to add a little bit of some pizzazz to the face. Like, what's a look without glow, guys? Seriously, what is a look without glow? Okay, c'est fini. So I went in now with my rose water, which I actually use as a setting spray, and I absolutely love how it sits my face, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to leave your comments and give me a thumbs up.